Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, thanks to HWM Aston Martin, I'm taking you on an exterior and interior tour and exhaust sound video of this 2021 Aston Martin Vantage A3 edition, which is one of just 3 examples in existence. This, in addition to other high specification models, is available at HWM at the time of publishing, and all of their contact details can be found in the description of the video. This very limited edition variant of Vantage is an homage to Aston Martin's oldest surviving car, the A3, that is celebrating its 100th birthday this year. The original A3 gets its name from being chassis 3 of 5 prototype cars that came before series production. As the original car is a small open-top sports car, it's fitting for Vantage Roadster to commemorate its centenary. This limited edition homage comes with several bespoke exterior and interior features, and I'll highlight all of these as we progress throughout the video. Focusing firstly on the engine, the bonnet can be unlocked by pulling the red lever to the left side of the passenger's footwell. Then moving around to the front, the bonnet latch needs to be pushed to the left before the bonnet can be lifted up and self-supported on 2 struts. A3 Vantage Roadster is powered by the same engine as in the standard cars, the AMG 4-litre twin-turbo V8 that delivers the same 503 brake horsepower and 685 Nm of torque. This output also remains the same, with a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of 3.7 seconds, and a top speed of 190 mph, 5 less than the coupe. Here, we also find the silver underbonnet pack. Once finished, the bonnet can be brought down and closed easily with a firm press. We can now focus on this car's bespoke exterior features. At each corner, we find 20-inch lightweight forged wheels, finishing gloss black. Behind these, we find bronze-painted calipers. I believe the disc diameter is unchanged. At the front, there is a bespoke mesh grille to represent the one in the original car. A small Aston Martin heritage badge is affixed to it. Moving around to the side of the car, the side grills come with a polished aluminium finish, bespoke leather strap at the top, and a commemorative number 3. Moving up, we come to the roof, which is unchanged. It adds an extra 60 kg to Vantage, and can be retracted in under 7 seconds, the fastest in its class, and can be used at speeds of up to 31 mph. Here, I utilise the keys function to retract the roof. There is also a button on the driver's armrest that can be used to operate the roof. At the rear, we find another enamel wings badge and smoked rear lights, but otherwise the rear is unchanged, and as such, we still find a reversing camera, aggressive diffuser, and quad valve controlled exhaust pipes. Now moving inside, we can first look at the key. A3 comes with a standard Vantage key with buttons for lock, unlock, the boot and roof. We can now move to A3's interior, where we can find several bespoke features that I'll focus on detail as we progress. Starting with the doors, we find chestnut tan contrast stitch, and a chestnut tan leather door handle with the same leather fitted as a base to the door storage pocket. Moving to the sills, we find bespoke aged Aston Martin heritage plaques. Continuing left and looking up at the seats, we find more contrast stitch and a bespoke leather fluting meant to represent that in the original car. Moving around to the central column, and the features once again start with contrast stitch. As we move down, we come to 3 brass rotaries. Under these, we find a bespoke embossed Aston Martin heritage logo with more tan contrast leather on either side of it. The buttons and controls behind are unchanged, but just behind these we come to more contrast elements, and then finally heritage Aston Martin text to the rear of the cubby panel, meant to mimic that used in 1921. As we've now finished the overview components of the video, we can start the car and hear the valved exhaust, both in normal and track modes. final feature to view is the boot. It can be unlatched using the button on the driver's side door or the key and need to be manually lifted up. The boot extends out on either side, but the entire space has been reduced from 350 litres in the coupe to 200 litres here due to the roof. On the right side we find the handbooks. Once finished, the lid needs to be manually closed. So that concludes my exterior and interior tour of this one of 3 2021 Aston Martin A3 Vantage Roadster that's available with HWM Aston Martin at the time of publishing. Once again, all of their contact details are in the description of the video. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.